Good morning. Good morning. Ah, dito kami sa Virginia Garcia ngayon. Yung clinic ni nanay. Merong check-in si nanay. Just regular check-up. Kanyang doktor. Kaya dito kami ngayon. Kararating lang namin. Yan si nanay. Nakasumble ano. Pero nay, ano, gugutom na kaya? Nabising ka yan?
Nalipay.
Sis, sabihin niyo, kumusta kayong lahat?
Basta kayong lahat. Ang daki ito yung doktor. Thank you.
Yung may mga concern ako tungkol sa health ni nanay. Yung una, yung parang minsan wala siyang lakas. At least 2-3 beses na siyang nahuhulog, buti hindi sa sahig. Mga ano lang sa carpet naman, so malambot yung kanyang hinuhulungan. Wala siyang yung kaliwang side ng katawan niya mahina, yung kamay sa yung paa niya. So hopefully matulungan siya ngayon. Nga sabi niya, kaya gusto ko rin makita sana siya. Kaya siya na medyo mahina ang salita ko dahil maraming tao dito. But gusto ko lang i-update kayo yung tungkol kay nanay. Okay?
Let me see. Okay, let's try lowering your sleeve and see if I can't. I'm gonna have you take it off. Thank you. Okay, let's see if I can hear anything. We might have to take it off. Her, it looks like for COVID, we are currently out, otherwise I
That's
will call
right,
her. But
yeah.
I'll track her so that we can call her.
Yeah.
When we have it.
Yeah, I tried to get it last year before they left, but just didn't have enough time, and so
So I'm gonna ask a couple of questions to confirm that she can get her vaccine today.
Yeah.
The flu vaccine should be free since there's no coverage. I'm gonna apply the free one.
yes.
Okay. Has she had a fever, been feeling sick today?
No,
Does she have any allergies to medication, food, latex, or vaccines?
I doesn't have any allergy.
Has she had a bad reaction to a vaccine?
No,
Does she have seizures or a brain problem?
no,
Does she have heart disease, lung disease, kidney disease, diabetes, asthma, anemia?
no,
Has she taken cortisone, prednisone, or steroids or cancer treatments in the last 3 months?
no,
Has she received blood in the past year?
no,
Okay. Has she received vaccines in the past month?
no.
Has she fainted after an injection?
Was she afraid?
Fainted.
Fainted? No, not really.
Has she had chicken pox?
I think so when she was a kid. Yeah.
Has she been feeling bad about herself, whether she's a failure or have let her family or somebody?
Are you not? Are you a failure?
No.
No, okay.
I have one.
You always happy?
Okay, has she had trouble concentrating in things like watching TV or reading or something?
No, she's always watching
Oh,
TV.
she's good. Okay, good.
Always.
Good.
Even the TV is watching her.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, has she been moving or speaking so slowly that other people would have noticed or been fidgety, agitated, moving much more than normal?
No.
Any thoughts of being better off dead or of harming herself in some manner?
I think she's just having a hard time walking lately.
But no
Thing-
thoughts of being better off dead or of harming herself?
No. It's just her knee is getting worse.
Gotcha.
But aside from that, she's okay.
Perfect. I'd like to hear that.
So, katatapos lang ng parang introduction kay nanay. Kaya ito, hintay kami. Walang doktor na available, pero hopefully may tumingin sa kanya. Wala yung kanyang main doctor. Yan si nanay. Oh. May injectionan ka, okay ka lang ba na? Injection ng kanila?
Okay.
Flu vaccine. Kailangan mo yun, baka
Pwede.
lagnatin ka.
Para.
Pwede daw. Pwede daw, sabi ni nanay.
Okay.
Bakit takot ba kayo sa injection?
Hindi lang.
No, sige. So nanay's getting injection.
Sorry.
Oh, she did good. Wow, good job, nanay. Good job. So, what's gonna happen now? Nanay got her flu shot, which is my concern kasi last year before he goes to the Philippines, she went to the Philippines, wala siyang flu shot. And, buti na lang wala nangyari sa kanya doon. And now she has a flu shot.
Sorry.
11 a.m.? Yeah, we can wait. So, may something, mabising ka? Kaya mabising ka, saan? Kaya nalakitaan na dyan parking taka, na dyan nagparking ang tate, ka sa nga parking da dyan. Wag subliak to. Diba? Iniwan ko muna si nanay doon dahil yung parking namin kanina dito walang parkingan, kaya nagparking muna ako dun sa walang linya, pero okay naman. Tignan ko kung meron ng available na parking. Yung sasakyan ni tatay Explorer. Oo, wala siya sa linya dahil nga puno punong-puno. Wala pa rin yung mga handicap. Malamig dito ngayon sa Oregon, winter kasi. Kaya kita niyo yung fog, hindi makita yung mga bahay. Parang sa Baguio nung nandun kami. Palagay ko okay lang din tong parking ng sasakyan. Hopefully hindi naman ito away. Saka talagang kulang yung parking nila. Yan yung pangalan nung hospital nila nanay o clinic. Silang dalawa ni tatay. Virginia Garcia. Iniwan ko muna si nanay. Maghahanap lang ako ng kape dahil nga malamig. Alam ko na gusto rin nila ng kape. Alam ko merong tindahan dyan sa banda dyan. time check, 10 o'clock na. Yung appointment ni nanay is moved to 11 o'clock. Kaya may time ako na bumili ng coffee para sa kanya. Ayun, buti na lang merong plate pantry na malapit. Hopefully merong coffee dyan. Mga nagtatanong kung saang banda ng Oregon to, this is nasa Cornelius, Oregon kami. Cornelius, malapit lang din to sa Beaverton saka Hillsboro. Kaya magkakalapit lang naman din yun, hindi masyado malayo. Yan ang presyo ng gasolina ngayon dito per gallon, hindi per liter. So akala ninyo mura yan, pero per liter nga yan. Tayo ng kape. So, ano ba magandang kape dito? Si nanay ayaw ng ayaw niya ng kape dito, yung Folgers ayaw niya, pero ano magagawa niya? So kuha tayo ng cup, which is presyo nito large cup 20 ounce, 230. Ito masama, 230. Tapos gusto natin syempre bold, dark mild. So maganda yung dark roast. Tama ba itong gagawin ka? Parang mali. Shit. Pindot hanggang sa yan. Tapos lagyan natin ng creamer o sugar. No, si nanay hindi na gusto ng asukal, kaya creamer na lang. Tapos halu-haluin natin. Ayos. Siguro mas maganda na masarap. Konti pang creamer para malumigan yung kanyang mainitan yung kanyang sikmura. Yes, sige, pabayad mo na ako. Okay. So pabalik na tayo dun sa clinic. Dala ko na yung coffee ni nanay. Kaya tumatawid ako kanina. Just walking to the clinic. Yan yung building ng clinic, Virginia Garcia. Karamihan ng mga employee nila rito, doktor, mga nurses, mga Spanish. Kasi ang Cornelius farm area to eh. Kaya maraming mga Spanish people dito sa ano, sa tawag nito, sa lugar na to. Check upin natin yung sasakyan ulit. Make sure na hindi na tow kasi nga naka-illegal parking ako. Pero hindi naman siya, no? Hindi naman siya naka-block sa mga daan. May daan pa rin. So far, nandiyan pa rin yung sasakyan. Kaya nandun pa rin yung sasakyan. Yung sasakyan pala ni tatay, yung mga nagtatanong. Yan ang ginagamit ko pag may mga check-up sila para hindi na sila naglalakad na malayo. So ngayon, we're gonna go up. Ang init. Ang init ng kape. We're gonna go up and go with nanay. Magandang ano pa dito sa clinic, meron silang ukay-ukay, yung mga giveaway na damit, sapatos, sa may mga pagkain din. Yan, sapatos. Yan. Karamihan mga pangbata. So me and nanay are together, waiting for the doctor. Wala na akong baterya, kaya this is where the video ends. Okay, pray for nanay. God is good
All the time.
all the time.
That is good.
God is good. Thank you, bye.
Bye-bye.